Hey beauties, Andrea. This is going to be a review on another flat iron. I've done so many flat iron reviews. Check them down below. The Rendezvous titanium styling iron, and it is by Duvolle. I wanted to review this one because when I checked it out on the website, it looked really cool. You know, the mirrored plates. Yeah, that's how it looks. It looks very cool, and that is why I picked that one. All right, have fast heating, polished titanium plates for smooth movement through hair, extended styling edges for creating multiple styles with curls, straighten, and put waves in your hair. It has various heat settings. Also has automatic shut off, which I think that's very important for a flat iron, by the way, guys. One thing I really thought was pretty cool, it extends on one side like this and on the other side of the plate like that here and right here. Yeah. For the settings, it has, of course, an on and off. Starting from the first setting, 270 degrees Fahrenheit, 320 degrees Fahrenheit, 360, 410, and 450. The highest I go is 420, so I went up to 410. I did use this section by section on my hair, and this time only did one pass in this video. This is the first video on YouTube on my channel, and the first time ever for me to just do one pass when I want to straighten my hair. I don't really want the straight look. I'm actually going to put flexi rods because I want it longer. You know, shrinkage when you have curly hair, it's a lot. I usually go 4 passes to get my hair straight, but I'm only going to go one pass for the first time ever on my channel, and with one pass I can tell you guys how good this is or how bad it is, right? So you can clearly see this worked so good. What I was most impressed about was the fact that it slides so nicely. Like, it's the #1 thing that you notice when you use a flat iron. Before you even see the results, you feel how smoothly it slides down your hair. This slides down your hair like butter. Okay, like butter. You know my favorite flat iron. If you watch my channel, if you are a subscriber, you know. This one's gonna go right along with it. It's so good. The way that it was sliding down my hair, it sold me. That's the thing, it sold me. All right, I really liked it. The fact that I used one pass and I got the results that I got, I was very impressed. Since I can't find anything about that's bad, it is a little bit on the higher price, I would say, but if I have any discount codes, I will leave them down below. Guys, thank you so much for watching my review on the Rendezvous. I forgot the name. Rendezvous what? So you guys, thank you so much for watching my review on the Rendezvous professional styling iron. Don't forget thumbs up this video and don't forget to click the bell so you'll be notified of my videos. Alright guys, bye guys. Mwah.